Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, and that's also where the first key update comes into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $1.65 was a level of support going into today, but you can see during that opening 30 minutes, price got pushed down below there, and then that's essentially what opened up the floodgates, and down it went. Now, to offer up some defense, I mean, the markets got absolutely destroyed today, so it's not like the entire markets were green and then FCEL was down or anything like that. I mean, it's still a bearish day. There's no way around it, but it's at this point, it's a question of, well, what stocks didn't have a bearish day today? But regardless, like I said, $1.65 now going to be that first key level of resistance if there is any sort of attempted bounce going into next week. As far as levels of support are concerned, first key level, and there's nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And you can see several times the bears try to press down through that $1.55 mark, but to give credit where credit is due, I mean, the bulls every single time did a fantastic job of holding that as support. So $1.55 without doubt, that near-term and important level of support. In the event $1.55 doesn't hold up, next key level after that to keep an eye on would be down there at the lows from several days ago, and that sits at $1.50. So again, going into next week, $1.65, that initial area of resistance, and then as far as levels of support are concerned, first level at $1.55, next level at $1.50. So rough day today, but like I said, the entire market was rough, so we'll see if things can try to get turned around next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.